Welcome to the most contagious thing on Earth. And I'm not talking about a viral dance or meme. I'm talking about yawning. This simple thing you do every day is way more mysterious than you think. By the end of this video, you'll never look at a yawn the same way again. We're talking about ancient secrets, brain cooling systems, and why this might be the key to understanding how humans connect with each other. The mystery revealed. Here's your first mind-blowing fact. You've been yawning since before you were born. That's right. Babies in the womb start yawning between 24 and 36 weeks, and it has nothing to do with being tired. But wait, it gets wilder. Yawning is 400 million years old. That means dinosaurs yawned. Your pet dog yawns. Fish yawn underwater while they're not even breathing. Almost every animal with a backbone does it. And humans? We're the champions. We yawn for 7 seconds on average, longer than any other animal except elephants, who yawn for 6 seconds. The bigger your brain, the longer you yawn. So basically, long yawns mean you're smart. There's even a science word for studying yawns. It's called cosmology. Try saying that 5 times fast. Busting the biggest myth. Now I know what you're thinking. We yawn because we need oxygen, right? Wrong. This is the biggest yawn myth ever, and it's time to destroy it. Scientists tested this back in the 1980s. They gave people extra oxygen, less oxygen, more carbon dioxide. Guess what? Nobody yawned more or less. The oxygen thing is completely fake news. Plus, explain this. Whales and dolphins yawn underwater while holding their breath. If yawning was about oxygen, that would make 0 sense. So if it's not oxygen, what's really happening? Scientists have 3 incredible theories, and the first one will make you think of your brain like a computer. Your brain's air conditioning. Theory number 1, your brain is overheating, and yawning is like turning on the AC. Your brain works super hard all day and generates heat, just like your phone or computer when it's running too many apps. Here's how the cooling works. When you yawn, your jaw muscles stretch really hard, which pumps more blood to your head. At the same time, you're breathing in cool air that literally cools down your blood before it reaches your brain. The proof? In winter, only 18% of people yawn when they see others yawn. But in summer heat, 41% of people catch yawns. Your brain already has natural AC when it's cold outside. And here's another clue. When you're sleep-deprived, your brain runs hotter, which is why tired people yawn more. Your brain is basically calling for emergency cooling, the alertness booster. Theory number 2 is going to flip your mind. Yawning might actually wake you up, not make you sleepy. When you yawn, your heart rate increases and you become more alert. Kind of like drinking coffee. The jaw stretching might trigger your body to release wake-up hormones. Want proof? Olympic athletes yawn right before competing. Soldiers yawn before important missions. They're not tired. They're getting their brains ready for peak performance. Think about when you yawn most. It's usually during boring stuff like long car rides or watching TV, almost never when you're actively doing something exciting. Your brain is literally saying, "Hey, wake up and pay attention." The contagion effect. Now for the big question, why is yawning so contagious? And I mean ridiculously contagious. Studies show 69% of people will yawn when they see any animal yawn. Not just humans. Here's where it gets psychological. Contagious yawning is connected to empathy. Brain scans show that when you see someone yawn, the same brain parts that control empathy light up like a Christmas tree. People who score higher on empathy tests catch more yawns. And get this, the closer you are to someone, the more likely you are to catch their yawn. Family members are most contagious to each other. But here's the evolutionary twist. This might have helped our ancestors survive. When one person yawned, showing they were less alert, it triggered others to become more vigilant to watch for danger. It's like a biological alarm system. Wild yawn facts. Time for some yawn facts that'll make you the most interesting person in any room. The world's loudest yawn belongs to an Australian guy named Neville Sharp. 112.4 decibels. That's louder than a chainsaw. He practiced for 45 years to break that record. Ancient people were terrified of yawning. In medieval times, they made the sign of the cross over their mouths because they thought evil spirits could enter. In India, they believed demons called butts would possess you. The Maya thought yawning revealed your secret desires. Here's a medical miracle. People who are paralyzed on one side can sometimes temporarily move their paralyzed limbs while yawning. For those 6 to 7 seconds, the yawn overrides their paralysis. And excessive yawning can actually signal serious medical emergencies like heart attacks or strokes. Your body might be trying to cool an overheating brain to prevent damage. The big picture. So what does all this mean? Yawning isn't just some random thing your body does. It's a window into what makes us human. Every time you yawn, you're connecting to 400 million years of evolution. You're sharing a behavior with every animal that has ever lived. You're using your brain's built-in cooling system, alertness booster, and social connection tool all at the same time. The average person yawns 5 to 10 times per day. That's thousands of yawns in your lifetime. And each one is proof of this incredible biological program we're all running. We share this with tiny mice and massive elephants, with our ancestors and Olympic athletes. And after 2,500 years of wondering, yawning is still one of the least understood things humans do regularly. Maybe that's the magic. In a world where we think we have everything figured out, yawning reminds us there are still amazing mysteries happening. So the next time you yawn, and let's be honest, you probably yawned at least once watching this, remember you're participating in one of nature's most ancient and fascinating behaviors. You're cooling your brain, boosting your alertness, and connecting with every person and animal around you through one of the most contagious acts in the natural world. Did this video make you yawn? Drop a comment and tell me how many times. And if you found this as mind-blowing as I do, smash that like button and subscribe for more incredible content that'll change how you see the world.